absolutely heart-wrenching. I mean, the infrastructure, the utilities infrastructure was damaged. The physical infrastructure was damaged. You'd recognize, too, that what I saw was heart-wrenching. I mean, absolutely devastating. In fact, I believe that on a per capita basis, the extent of the destruction in Barbuda is unprecedented.
Branches in the road were a common sight among most of the areas ABS visited Wednesday. When we stopped at the historic Heritage Key, we found that a storm...
Engine ignition. Lift off.
If you don't represent women in politics,